Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about exactly how to play Sova. This is going to be a complete beginner's guide. If you're thinking about multiple different, angles and lineups that you want to go ahead and learn, well, this is not the video for you. This is only going to be complete beginner's guide. So let's just get straight into the video. First things first, let's just talk about all the Sova's ability. The first ability is going to be Owl Drone. So this is going to be a drone that you can simply go ahead and throw in order to go ahead and mark out your enemies. The second is going to be Shock Dart or Shock Bolt, which is going to be a dart that is going to provide couple damage to the enemies. The Recon Bolt is going to be a ability that is going to be a dart that you can throw in order to go ahead and reveal the positions of your enemies. And then the final Hunter's Fury is going to be his ultimate, which is going to be an ultimate that can shoot through walls and get people. Now let's just get straight into maps and then show you a couple of ways you can go ahead and play it. So when you're playing Sova, what you want to really focus on is going to be the geometry. So keep that in mind because that is going to be the most effective way to play Sova. So when it comes to your dart or your recon, so let's just see how these perform. Okay, so this is going to be your shock dart. As you can see, you can put bounces on your shock dart if you want to, so you can make it bounce not at all. So that is not going to be bouncing at all. As you can see, if you put one bounce, it's going to bounce once and then come back. As you can see, if you put two bounces, it's going to bounce twice, as you can see, and then get hit. So for example, let's just say you want to go ahead and hit someone who is here. How would you do it? So there are three ways to do it. One is going to be the direct, so no bounce at all, just like that. You can just put that shock dart. And by the way, this shock dart will damage anyone who is inside of this circle radius that you just saw right over here. And if you want to bounce it, what you can do is just bounce it here and then, get it there as well. Okay, never mind. I forgot the bounce. All right, just like that. It's just going to go ahead and bounce once and get up there. So just like that. Or you could also make it bounce twice. So it's just about geometry. So if you guys are here, you can also bounce it right over here on the back of this to get it back here. But it just got here. You need to be able to go ahead and play it well, of course. As you can see, you can bounce it twice. The best way to go ahead and do so is going to be, of course, bouncing it. So if you want to go ahead and bounce it and get someone inside, then it's going to get it to the people who are inside. Just like that. If you want to go ahead and play Recon, for example, there are a couple of ways you can go ahead and do so. Let's just say you put one bounce and then you're going to put it from here somewhere, which is going to get it up here, which is going to clear out all the things or all the people who are going to be back here and then on here and so on. If you want to go ahead and bounce it inside a site, all you want to do is just shoot it somewhere around there and then it's going to go ahead. Oh, never mind. That just got back. All right. That is going to get it right inside of sight. As you can see, this is going to go ahead and get people who are around sight. There are a lot of ways you can go ahead and do so. So you can simply go ahead and keep practicing it. So if you shoot it just like that, it's going to go straight into the site, which is going to clear out all the people in there. So just like that.
Scanning ahead.
It's just about how much power you want to put and then check where it's going to go ahead and go. So as long as you keep on practicing, you guys are going to get it. So if you want to go ahead and check if there is someone in here or attacking as a defender, all you need to do is just put it down here and then as you can see, it will get all the people who are going to be standing here because it's going to place somewhere around here. So it is as simple as that. Let me just go ahead and do that one more time so I can show it to you guys. All right, there you go. As you can see, it will get all the people out here. It is as simple as that. And now when it comes to A, and if let's just say you guys are attacking, there are a lot of ways you can play this, of course. So if you put a double bounce and then shoot it straight to heaven, it's going to bounce. Well, that was a bad placement. But you need angles, okay, guys? So you just need angles. Make sure you have proper angles. So there you go. That's going to reveal everyone who are coming outside from heaven. You can also bounce it on multiple different places. So just like that, as you can see. Or you could also go ahead and bounce it somewhere else, right? So for example, there's one I play a lot, which is that one, which is going to simply go ahead and get everyone from side to backside and even heaven. So right over here on this block, just like that. It's as simple as that. I hope this video helped you a lot. You can do this on all the different maps. So when it comes to your drone, that was the shock dart and the recon that we talked about. It's the same physics. You just have to go ahead and utilize it the best way. So if you go ahead and put it for heaven, you can just make people suffer right there. If there's someone in there, you can just go ahead and shoot it just like that. If there's someone on the back, you can just make it bounce once, and as you can see, it hits the back. And if you want someone on the side, you can bounce it just like that, and so on. Now, when it comes to your drone, what you can do is simply go ahead and fly out your drone and look for people to mark, and you can simply go ahead and shoot with the right click or the left click. Never mind, it's the left click to go ahead and dart some people. You can just click on the left click and look around for visibility where people could be. It's as simple as that, so keep that in mind. Just like that, you can just look around, cover as much places as you can do. What I like to do is simply go ahead and press space, which will give me as much height as I can as soon as I shoot it, so that way I can clear out all the people that are actually there. Just like that. See, that's how you're going to be able to clear a lot of places, because people don't normally aim high, you know. Just like that. You can also cancel it by pressing C, of course, and you can do it from almost everywhere. If you guys are a defender, that's going to be the best way to go ahead and clear sight. So for example, if you have a flank, as you can see, I can just go up here, and this is the farthest it can fly high, by the way. Just like that, I can clear out left, right, everywhere, and shoot someone with a recon. And keep in mind, when you shoot someone with recon, it's going to be completely following them and showing you their location for a while. So that was it for Sova. It is pretty simple, as you can see. When it comes to shooting with your ultimate, you can simply go ahead and shoot through walls. So that's what the benefit is. And what you can do in order to go ahead and utilize your Sova ultimate properly is simply mark out the place where you've planted, and now you can just shoot it through walls from almost anywhere in the map. So it's pretty powerful. Just simply go ahead and put where you've marked, or simply go ahead and mark where you planted and shoot it from anywhere, just like that. All right, I hope this video clarified everything for you, and I hope you understand exactly how to play Sova now. So go ahead and hop into some games and get those wins. So if you want me to make more videos like this and want to see some other agents, you can simply go ahead and comment down below which agent you want me to show you guys as a beginner guide. So, and comment down below and subscribe to this channel. Thank you and bye-bye.